Greetings and welcome to our channel. Today we have Realme 13 Pro 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. In this smartphone you can measure your heartbeat. Simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on Realme Lab. There you will see the option of heart rate measurement. Click on this and then place your thumb on this fingerprint sensor. It will take around 10 seconds and it will tell you the heart rate. But keep in mind, don't use this for any medical purposes. If you're using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this notification center. But you can change it by using a gesture. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this and then select notification drawer. Now whenever you will swipe down on the empty area on the home screen, it will automatically open your notification center. Let's talk about this AI feature, AI Smart Loop. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience. There you will see the option of AI Smart Loop. Enable this and then click on agree and continue. Now you can share anything with the help of this to any shareable application. For example, if you took a screenshot and if you will tap and hold it and then drag to the side of the screen, it will show all the apps. You can also edit this. So with the help of this you can easily share any photograph. Again, if you're using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open any application on the home screen. But there's a gesture by which you can easily do this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, simply swipe from the corner like this. It will drag all the apps around your thumb and then you can easily open any application. In this smartphone you can copy any image from any social media application. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience. There you will see the option of AI screen recognition. Click on this and then enable this. Now while scrolling any social media app, you just have to use your two fingers and tap on the screen. It will automatically recognize the screen and then you will be able to save any image or even text from any image while using social media applications. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Simply open any application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this and then select the second application you want to use. And now you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. This smartphone you can even adjust the brightness level of the torch. Simply enable the torch and then tap and hold it. There you will see 4 levels of the torch and you can adjust this. This phone comes with smart sidebar feature as well. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience, and there you will see the option of smart sidebar. Enable this, then you will see a transparent bar on the right side of the screen. You can open it by swiping to the left to the sidebar. Here you can do a lot. You can open any favorite application. You can also save any temporary files to this file dock. You can also edit this, add your favorite apps or remove any app from this. Now if you will open any application, it will open in floating window and you will be able to use your phone and this application as floating window as well. Now let's talk about some of the screen of gesture of this smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience. Scroll down and then click on gesture and motions and then click on screen of gesture. Firstly enable this. The first one is double tap to wake or turn off screen. Enable this and then click on got it. Now your phone is locked. You can simply double tap to turn on the screen and double tap to turn off your screen. The second one is draw an O to open camera. If you will enable this, and now whenever your screen is locked, you can simply draw an O and it will automatically open your camera application. The third one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you will enable this, and now when your screen is locked, you can simply draw a V to turn on the flashlight and again draw a V to turn off your flashlight. In this smartphone, you can clone any application without downloading any third-party app. Not just social media application, you can clone any application. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app cloner. Click on this. Now it will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Simply select the app you want to clone and then it will create the clone of this application. So you will be able to log in with two different accounts in this smartphone. As you can see, I have two Facebooks now. You can also monitor your real-time internet speed in your status bar. Open your settings and then click on notification and status bar. click on status bar. There you will see the option of real-time network speed. Enable this, then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. Now let's talk about some of the display feature of this smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. The first one is AI Eye Comfort. Click on Eye Comfort and Sleep, and there you will see the option of AI Eye Comfort. Enable this and then click on accept. Now it will detect your eye fatigue and then adjust the color temperature in the real time, so this will also reduce your eye strain. If you read ebooks, articles, etc., then you must enable this screen attention feature and then click on agree, so it will keep your screen on while you are looking at it. You don't have to keep on tapping the display to keep your screen on. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must enable this dark mode. It will turn all the whites into the blacks, and with the help of this you can keep the strain on your eye at minimum. So you must enable this dark mode if you use your phone at night a lot. You can customize the shape, size and the representation of the icons of the smartphone. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on icons. Here you can select the size of the icons. You can set the shapes. Here you have a lot of options. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. As this phone comes with curved display, you must enable this edge lighting feature. Simply open your settings and then click on wallpaper and style. Scroll down and then click on edge lighting. By default it is disabled. You can select your favorite color, and now if any notification will come or any call will come, it will show that cool looking edge light on the curve of the screen. In same wallpaper and style settings, you will see the option of fingerprint animation. Here you can select your favorite fingerprint animation. Now whenever you will unlock your phone with your fingerprint, it will show that specific animation. This phone also comes with always on display feature. Simply open your settings, click on wallpaper and style. There you will see the option of always on display. Click on this. Firstly enable always on display. Now here you can select cool looking styled clocks and emoji, etc., and then select your favorite one and then click on apply. Now whenever your screen is locked, it will show that specific clock style. In sound and vibration settings, scroll down. There you will see the option of O Reality Audio. Here you can select your favorite category as per your usage. If you're watching any movie, then you can select the movie category. If you're playing any game, you must select this gaming category, so it will enhance your listening experience up to next level. You can also hide any photo or video in this smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and then click on private safe. Firstly you have to set a privacy password. Set a privacy password and then confirm it. Answer a security question, click on done, and now select any photo or video from this add icon and then click on set as private. Now that's how you can hide any photo or video in this smartphone. If you want to increase the life of your battery, then you must enable the next feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery, scroll down and then click on smart charging. So if you will enable this, then it will charge your phone up to 80% normally and then take little extra time to charge it to 100%. So with the help of this, it will increase the battery lifespan. You can play any song in wired headphones and Bluetooth speaker at the same time in this smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on Realme Lab. There you will see the option of dual mode audio. If you will enable this and then plug in your wired headphones and then Bluetooth speaker, then it will give output to both of these and you can play single song with those two devices at the same time. If you will long press your power button, it will launch the Google Assistant app, not open your power menu. But if you want to open your power menu,
Wi-Fi network or install a SIM card first.
Then simply press the power button and volume up button at the same time and it will open your power menu. Now let's talk about some camera features. If you want to increase the quality of any image, then simply click on edits and then there you will see the option of AI Ultra Clarity. If you will click on this, then it will increase the quality of your image very easily. If you want to remove any object or any person from any image, you can simply click on edit and there you will see the option of remover. Click on this and then select the object you want to remove and it will automatically remove that person or that object. If you want to remove the background from any image, you don't have to download any third-party app. Simply tap and hold on the object and it will automatically detect the object and remove the background of this. You can save it or you can copy and share it as well. If you will open your camera app, then it will open in this rectangular aspect ratio. If you want to change it to full, then simply click on these three lines and there you will see the option of full. Now it will turn your camera app in full screen, and if you will click any picture, it will also save it in full screen. If you want to click a screenshot of a specific area, then you can use your 3 fingers and then tap and hold on the screen. Now select the area you want to click the screenshot of and then click on this right icon. So that's how you can click any screenshot of any specific area in this smartphone. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Realme 13 Pro 5G smartphone. If this was helpful for you, then please like this video and let us know in the comment section. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.